Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, Salisbury Steak Meatballs with mushroom gravy. The morning mise en place for the meatballs. The morning mise en place for the mashed potatoes. The extensive prep. The mise en place for the meatballs. Everything in the bowl for the meatballs. And the meatballs are ready to go in the oven. Here's the mise en place for the gravy. And here's the goodies for the mashed potatoes. And the potatoes are doing their things in the jacuzzi. And some hot goodies for the mashed potatoes. Pretty much everything in the bowl for the mashed potatoes. The mushrooms are in the saute pan. Here's the mushrooms after being sauteed. The meatballs are out of the hot box. And the gravy is ready. And the mashed potatoes are done. And the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.